Hey guys, TommyBryson here, and finally we actually have some good news. And here it is, guys, okay? Finally, most people out there, around 70 to 80 million people, have actually started to receive their entire stimulus check today, Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. If you haven't gotten it yet, just wait until Friday. And also, the IRS is creating a portal, so this way you can actually go ahead and track your entire stimulus check if you haven't gotten it just yet. And on top of that is second piece of very good news, not for you, but for the IRS, is that finally it went from being the least popular company in the entire world, in the planet, to now being the most popular. Something about giving people free money is now making them very popular. So go ahead and go review the IRS on Yelp. They need the 5-star reviews. But seriously, guys, they did a great job when it came to handling everything and making sure our information was safe, because again, hackers and scammers were definitely trying to, also get their stimulus checks during these times, because again, it was open season for everyone out there. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm going to break down all the updates when it comes to stimulus checks and make sure that you guys understand everything, the timeline, where your money is, and if you haven't gotten it yet, what you need to do step by step. And the first thing is this, guys, I will be making more videos about this topic as it develops, because right now Congress is going to come back in May and talk about putting out another $250 billion into the economy. So as that news gets released, I will be making more videos about that. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get notified. And on top of that, also click the like button because it helps out a lot in this channel. Thank you guys so much. Now, the very first thing is this, guys. If you guys didn't know, by the way, funny story, I saw this on Credit Chief's channel, and basically a guy literally got paid, well, he kind of got paid around $8.2 million by accident by his bank accounts through the entire IRS deposit. So imagine right here, guys, this is around $150,000. Imagine him getting $8.2 million, and then by Monday they figured out it was a mistake and they took the money back. But the idea is that he got a lot of money. By the way, what would you do in the situation if you got paid $8.2 million? Would you take the money, or would you be quiet and just wait? Or would you be like, hey, you guys gave me extra money, come take it back, it's not mine? By the way, what he did was, hey, you guys gave me extra money, it's not mine, what's going on here? And by the way, if you're getting any ideas, if you do get extra money, there's literally a guy that got caught with $7.5 million by accident, and now he's in jail. And when that actually happened to me with $2,000, well, the bank instantly on Monday noticed and just took the money back just like that. Okay, so it's not a good idea. It's probably not worth it. And if you do get caught, you probably go to jail. So be very careful if during these times you do get an extra check and you're like, okay, maybe I'll keep this one. Okay, but guys, let's get into this video. And the very first thing is this. Okay, the first thing is that the stimulus package, the timeline, was breaking down into 4 different packages. Okay, the first package was for basically testing kits. The second package was for testing kits, more of them, and on top of that, to make sure that workers were actually being taken care of with their benefits. And the third package is the most popular one, and that's the one we've been waiting on, and that's the one that basically gave us a $1,200 check plus a $500 check for our dependents. Okay, which is pretty cool if you ask me. Now, the fourth package is going to be around $250 billion if Congress can come together and kind of get their stuff together. You know what I mean? So the idea is that one side of Congress, well, they want to take care of only small businesses, and the other side wants to take care of the hospitals, small businesses, and also more workers. So now they're debating like, hey, we want more money for this, we want the money for this. So they got to come back in May and decide exactly what's going to happen. And as far as people ask me, Tommy, do you think we're going to get another round of stimulus checks? The answer is, I don't know. There've been a lot of developments coming out, so it might happen. But if it does happen, I'll make sure to keep you guys up to date with everything that is going on, okay? Because if they print more money and more money gets printed, then that might be a huge issue when it comes to inflation and the entire country. So that might not really be the best thing, but we'll see what happens. Anything that happens, I'll keep you guys updated. So make sure subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get notified when that news does come out. And now, guys, number one is that for everyone that got their stimulus check today, and I am one of those people, I actually got it from Chase today. However, it does say pending. However, Chase does say this is in your present balance, so you're good to go if you want to take it out. So I'm fine. I can take the money out, can use it whenever I want to. But the idea is, if you did get your check today, before you go ahead and book yourself a discounted vacation to go to the Bahamas, because everything is on discount right now, make sure you grab that money and use it for the essential stuff that you do need, for example, like food and appliances, whatever it is, and make sure you and your family is taken care of, and don't spend the money on something you don't need, because we still don't know how long this is going to go out for. Number 2, guys, if you didn't get your check and you didn't file, there is a website, an entire portal for you, so you can go in and type in your information. But one tip is this, guys: when you do go on the website, make sure it's the official IRS.gov website, because again, a lot of hackers and scammers have been creating a website that looks exactly the same, and the next thing you know, well, you're not just missing, okay. And then next thing you know, you're not just missing $1,200, but they also got all your information just like that. So again, link down below to the official IRS website. And if you're still not trustworthy, just go on Google and type in IRS.gov, and this way you go to the official website and you type in all your information and you're good to go. Again, that is for non-filers that did not file in 2018 or 2019, but they know they do still qualify. Okay, so keep that in mind. And now, guys, number 3, if you don't have direct deposit set up and you're wondering, well, Tommy, when am I gonna get my money? The answer is, well, the IRS is working on a portal, and I actually think it's live today, so check that out on the IRS.gov website. You can actually input your official direct deposit information, and this way they send it over to your direct deposit account, which is awesome. It has to be check-ins, by the way. Now, for everyone that's asking me, Tommy, what if I file with, for example, H&R Block or another entire tax union that actually grabs the money for me and sends it to me? The answer is, if you file with one of those companies, well, they might actually receive the money for you, and then they have to forward it to you. But in actuality, what I recommend you do is just go to the IRS website and update the entire direct deposit information, and this way you get it to your account and you don't have to worry about somebody else having your money. Okay, again, H&R Block, any other tax company, just make sure you check on your entire 1040 form and check exactly what direct deposit information you put in. Or for everyone out there saying, Tommy, I'm just going to wait for my check in the mail, you might be waiting until September. So make sure you just go on the IRS website and update it to your bank accounts. And if you don't have a check-ins account or a business account, whatever you need, just, for example, grab a Chase check-ins account, or for example, a SoFi Money check-ins account, whatever you need, and just get your check by direct deposit so you're not waiting until September. I'll also put links down below for SoFi and Chase, and this way you can make extra money when you do sign up with that stuff also. Now, number 4, if you did everything correctly, but you still haven't gotten any payments, well, what I recommend you do is this, guys. The IRS is also working on a portal so you can actually track your entire stimulus check. However, if you haven't gotten it just yet and you know you qualify based on your 2018 or your 2019, the answer is very simple, okay? I recommend you wait until Friday. If by Friday you see nothing coming through, well, go to the IRS website and make sure to track your, well, no, don't wait until Friday. Go right now and track it and see exactly where your money is and what's going on, okay? You want to double check everything, and this way you're not stuck waiting like everyone else. So again, all the links are going to be in the IRS.gov website. I'll also try to put a link down below, but again, I recommend you go direct to the website, and this way you make sure that no scammers or third parties are trying to grab your information. And now, guys, number 5 is that if you are a business or you're trying to get an SBA loan, a PPP loan, a PPP loan, Paycheck Protection Program loan, if you're trying to get one of those loans or whatever you do need, I recommend highly you go on the SBA website right now and you start applying. It's better to get denied because you don't qualify than to find out they run out of money and now you're not going to get anything, although you do need it, but you never actually applied. So the rumor is around town that they might run out of money, because again, it is a lot of money going out to businesses, and they even changed some rules to actually cap it out per employee and stuff like that. So make sure, if you can still apply right now, go apply and see if you qualify, and this way you can be taken care of, because again, Congress is not going to meet until May or so to actually talk about releasing more than $250 billion to small businesses, or for example for hospitals and other essential employees. So just make sure, overall, whatever you think you might qualify for, go ahead and apply. It's better to apply and get denied than not apply and not get the money you do need, okay? That is my overall advice when it comes to what to do when it comes to applying for any of these loans that can be forgivable, okay? And lastly, guys, don't forget, although we are waiting, well, some people are waiting for the stimulus checks and some people got it already, like I did. I just got it. And although all this stuff is going on right now, or waiting until May to get more money or whatever it is, the answer is, don't forget why we're getting all this stuff, okay? The answer is, there is still a massive, huge issue going on right now in the world. So stay at home, stay safe, wash your hands, and make sure everything is okay. Because the most important thing right now is not just the money, which money is very important, but the most important thing also is taking care of your health. Because if you don't have your health, you can't get money either way. So what's the point, okay? So, oh, and guys, for everyone out there that is wondering about donating money, I did say in one of my last videos to donate money. And if you do want to donate any money, it is tax incentivized because it will be tax deductible. And the answer is this, guys. If 80 million people donate 1% of their check, $12, well, guess what? That is around $960 million that goes towards more people that need more help. So if you're thinking about donating, don't think and just donate 1%, which is $12, and that can go a long way to helping more people out there. There you go, guys. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video right here, well, like this video, and on top of that, also subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, just DM me on Instagram, TommyBryson. And before I go, if you want to watch another video on how to spend your stimulus check, watch this video right here, and also with my face right here to also start right now. And see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace and stay safe.